Hey there everyone. So today I'll be showing you how to create a custom fan shroud for your vehicle. This particular fan shroud is for a 1994 Eagle Summit Turbo Wagon. And if you'd like to know how I made the shroud, you can go ahead and skip to the end, or you can go ahead and watch the time lapse, and then at the end of the video I'll recap how I made everything. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks and take care. I'm finished with this fan shroud, and it was definitely different to make something like this. To recap over what I did, I pretty much took a piece of steel, cut it to size. I marked a 1/4 inch and beat it over on my vise because that Harbor Freight metal brake that I purchased didn't work worth a crap. I ended up making some tabs and bending them specifically to how they need to be. And then since I had the old radiator, I used that to bolt the tabs to the old radiator and then put this fan shroud on and then make sure everything is perfectly lined up. So these things are, this thing is very custom to the radiator. Then for mounting the fans, I went ahead and I took some old bolts that I had laying around, and I cut them in half and I used those as studs. I realized because of the low profile of this fan shroud, this being only a 1/4 inch high, I don't have much to deal with on the backside, so I said, well, I gotta weld some studs, and that worked out pretty good. Welding studs kind of sucks because they kind of move one way or another, and there was some adjustment that needed to be done. So essentially, I just took my flap disc and grinded some of the welds down, spun a nut back on, and kind of knocked them whichever way they needed to go. I already fit the fans to this fan shroud, and they fit. The nuts go on perfectly. I have no issues. I'm gonna clean this thing up, and I'm gonna start painting it. And next time you see it, it'll be completely painted, and then I'll assemble the fans on there. I'm super happy with how this thing turned out. I really hope it holds up and it lasts. But I think this is definitely. I'm really excited to see the area that I've opened up between the engine and trans and the radiator with these low pro fans and this very low pro fan shroud. This is huge. I'm really excited to see what happens with this thing.
So I just wanted to close out the video showing you guys a few photographs of the finished fan shroud. You can see it completed and assembled and fully painted. Lastly, we can see what the old fan setup looked like, and then now the new fan setup, and we can see how much space that had bought us. This was pretty instrumental in getting the turbocharger to fit, but I have all that stuff kind of detailed in my previous videos. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it educational and entertaining, and take care.